And then we'd buy more vegetables and they'd say, oh wait, don't eat the broccoli, it's poison. And I'm like, oh great, we just had broccoli last night. Hey everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. This is kind of a weird video that I'm not even sure that I'm gonna put up because I don't know if anybody's gonna care. But I really wanted to share, and I hope you guys will actually like this video if I put it up and you'll comment and kind of help me out with this situation. So, backstory is, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you probably remember me talking about how much I love Costco. Somebody had asked me where my favorite stores were to shop, and I said Costco and the Dollar Tree because I just love both of those places. But we don't have a Costco membership anymore. We had one about 2 years ago. We had it for about a year and a half. Halfway through our second year, we actually ended up canceling our membership because of several reasons. One of the reasons was when we first started going, like before we ever signed up, we went through the store and we're like comparing their prices to what we were paying at the grocery store for organic things. We eat pretty much all organically here at home. Like 98% of what we get is organic and or natural. Mostly organic, and then a couple things are kind of like me. But for the most part, everything's organic. And so we went over there, we compared all the prices, and we're like, yeah, that's a lot cheaper for chicken and organic beef and frozen organic vegetables and all this stuff, yada yada. So we decided to sign up for a membership. Because of an affiliation that we have, we were actually able to get the executive membership with a couple discounts. I don't know, it was like extra free stuff or something. So with the executive membership, you do get 2% back of your purchases throughout the year back in a check that you can then either spend or you can put towards the next year's membership. So the first year we did that, we basically got enough back in rewards to be able to put that towards that next year's membership, which was fine. They do also have like the basic membership, which I believe is $60, but you don't get the 2% back at the end of the year. So we did opt for the more expensive one. We did opt for the more expensive executive membership. Okay. Every time we went to Costco, yes, we would save money on this, this, and this, but we'd also would spend a lot more money on things that we didn't necessarily go to get. You know, like a huge stack of construction paper or just random things. Books, their book department is like my favorite. All kinds of things that we really didn't need that we would end up getting in addition to what we actually went there to get. That happened every single time we went to Costco because they have great stuff. But, you know, when you're trying to not go crazy and spend, you know, several $100s every week or every other week on groceries and everything else that you're picking up, it got to be a little bit much. And so that's one of the reasons that I was a little bit like, okay, this is getting to be a very expensive trip every time we go. Plus, it's really far away from our house, so they have a great return policy, but if we didn't like something, then, or something was wrong with something, we would have to drive a good 20-25 minutes just to get back to the store to take it back and then drive 20-25 minutes home. Plus, knowing us, we would have returned it and then found something else to buy and then spent more money on the way to return something. I don't know. But that was another reason. And another reason was they stopped carrying a couple of the things that we found that we really, really love. Like they had these amazing organic, I think they were also gluten-free chicken tenders. It was the Rosie's brand. I think it has like a chicken wearing high heels. It was really cute. But anyway, they stopped selling that. That was one of our favorite items. And then they kept having a recall on their frozen organic vegetables, just like over and over and over. They would have one, and then they would take all the vegetables away, and then they would come back and say, okay, the vegetables are fine. And then we'd buy more vegetables, and they'd say, oh wait, don't eat the broccoli, it's poison. And I'm like, oh great, we just had broccoli last night. So I'd have to go and take that back. So that was another reason. Then I got afraid to ever buy their vegetables, which was one of the reasons why we started going there in the first place. So I just found myself buying less and less of the things that we actually intended to get with our membership and money we wanted to save with our membership, but still buying a bunch of other stuff that we really didn't have to have because they have great stuff. So, okay. My mouth is so dry. So that is basically why we decided to go ahead and cancel our membership. But I really, really miss it. I love Costco. Like I said, they have tons of stuff. They have some products that we buy every week now here at the grocery because we got them there as like a sample, or, you know, we bought a big giant box of this and we really loved it, and we're still getting it at the grocery store, only a smaller amount of it. So I don't know. And I just keep saying to my girls, I'm like, I miss going to Costco. And they're like, I know, us too. So I really want to go back, but I just don't know if it's going to be worth the investment. And if we do it, should I go back and get just the cheaper membership, the $60 one, and not get the executive one this time and not get the extra 2% cash back at the end of the year? I really don't know. And then I wonder also if you guys have the same problem that we did. You go to save money on organic chicken, but then you bought like stuffed teddy bear or something, which we actually did do. We took it back, but we did actually buy one of the big giant Costco bears. My mom bought it for my youngest daughter, and she used it for like a week or two, and she loved it. It was huge. It took up her whole bed, which at the time she had a twin bed, but it was like shaking out this weird brown dust. And so I was like, well, I don't know what that is, but that bear's going back. So we lugged this like giant bear, you know, back to Costco, but they took it back. But I just want to know if you guys eat organic food and you're just a normal size family of 4. I don't want to say normal size, but you know, we're not a large family. We just have the 4 of us. So do you go to Costco? If you do, what membership do you have? Do you have the cheaper one or the more expensive one? And do you think that you're saving enough money on the things that you're buying that are organic, like chicken and beef and vegetables and pasta sauce and beans and all that stuff? Do you feel like it's a good value for you and that you're definitely making your money back that you're having to pay on your membership? Or do you feel like that maybe you're saving a little bit, but you're probably spending even more? Maybe you're saving a little bit, but you're probably making up any of that savings by buying other stuff that maybe you don't need. So I just want to kind of talk this out with you guys. Another question too is, will they take me back? We did have that membership. We did have the affiliation discount. So if I try to go back and get a membership now, do you guys know if I'll be able to get that same kind of discount deal again, even though we were already members? Or is it like a one-time, like you already got that deal and you canceled kind of a thing and now you have to just pay for your membership with no special deal? I don't know how that works either. So you guys let me know kind of if you know anything about that, about their different memberships, and as far as like going back and getting another membership. Is it worth it for you? What are some of your favorite products that you get at Costco? And if I were to get a Costco membership, you know, I did grocery hauls for a while, and a couple people said they liked to see them, but the views were not really that great, so I felt like nobody really wanted to watch it for the most part. So you guys let me know. If I got a Costco membership, would you like to see Costco hauls from me on a monthly or so basis, like what we get, favorite products, favorite organic products or healthy products from Costco, kind of recurring videos about Costco? Would you guys like to see that? So let me know in the comments, all that stuff. Favorite products, do you know anything about going back to get a discount on your membership after you've already gotten one the first time? And then if you'd like to see Costco videos from me, what would you like to see? All that stuff. So if you wouldn't mind to leave that in the comments for me and help me out, I would really appreciate it, because I really, really want to get a membership again, but I don't want to fall in the same trap of saving $1 here, but then spending $10 here, you know? So kind of on the fence. I need you guys to help me out with that. So please let me know all that stuff in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up also if you would like to see Costco videos in the future. If I do get a membership, give this video a thumbs up so that I'll know that you want to see them again, more videos about Costco. So thank you for putting up with my weird, strange video. I don't know if this is interesting to anybody, but it's just kind of what's going on in my brain right now, and I wanted to share it with you guys because you always have such good advice. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.